Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use KuCoin Trial Fund, full guide. Open KuCoin, sign in, then find the Trial Fund tab and claim your allocation immediately. Next, verify your account settings and enable two-factor authentication for safety. I will explain how to place simulated trades, track performance, and avoid common mistakes when practicing with trial funds. Stay relaxed, follow along step by step, and you will be comfortable using trial funds by the end. Now we will place simulated trades using the trial fund to learn order types and execution. Start by picking a trading pair and study the order book and recent price moves before ordering. Decide between limit orders for precise entry or market orders for immediate execution, and practice both. Track fees and review filled orders in your history so you understand costs. Practice risk sizing and stop placement until you feel confident with the flow. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, so go darn tough for a lifetime warranty and comfy hiking or trading sessions. I love the durability and the feel during long screen time, and it pairs nicely with focused practice. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Next, we focus on managing performance and learning from simulated outcomes in the trial fund environment. Regularly check open positions and unrealized P&L so you can react calmly and learn from each trade. Keep a concise trade journal noting entry, exit, rationale, and emotions to spot patterns over time. Use the trial results to tweak strategy, practice discipline, and build confidence before moving to live funds on KuCoin or elsewhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.